Hello again. I am Sherry Sloan and I am guiding you through learning how to use the Canvas Learning Management System by Instructure. So I know I told you that the next video is going to be how to make a rubric, but instead I'm going to show you how to make a simple page. Why might you use a page? There's various reasons. I had told you before you can have a different home page other than modules. I'm going to show you that in a future video. That's not as important for getting your class started up front. But this page I'm making because I want my students to have a list of all the resources that they'll use in my class all in one space. So I feel that having a resources page that they can easily access and that I can easily link to will help with them being able to find the resources that they need for my class all in one spot. So let's go ahead and make our first page. So in order to make our first page, of course you should be in your class, although you can share pages across classes. I'll also show you that in a future video. And you'll see I have no pages yet. I can add one here or I can add one up here. So I'm going to go ahead and call this page Resources. I'm going to give a title to this section. And I'm going to go ahead and start just giving them a list of image gathering resources that they can use for my class. Okay, and so of course we're going to do some work on making all of this look a little more attractive, but I also want to link to each one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on Reshot. I'm going to come up to my Reshot link. I'm going to copy this. Command C if you're on a Mac, Control C if you're on a PC. And I'm going to come up here and see where it says this link, this chain. I'm going to go ahead and click on an external link. And I don't do anything with that. That just means that the reshot, that word is going to be my hyperlink word. Command V on a Mac, Control V on a PC. And now I have made that a link. Let's do the same with Pexels. Command C to copy or Control C on a PC. Command V to paste, Control V on a PC. Now I'll show you another shortcut. All right, so here's my Creative Commons one. Let me show you another hotkey. So Command C or Control C to copy. And then instead of clicking on this, if you learn this one, Command K or Control K, that brings up hyperlink. Command V or Control V to paste. So that was Command K, by the way. Let's do that again. So this is Vecteezy. Command C or Control C to copy. Command K or Control K to bring up the link. Command V or Control V to paste. And one more. And now, of course, we can make this page look nice and attractive. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and save my page. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how we can link to that resources page within other places. So for that purpose, I'm going to come over to where it says Pages, and I'm going to open up a different page I've started. I've started with my personality poster steps, so I want to link to my resources page in this page. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to edit this page. Obviously, I have not completed this yet. So here, I've left instructions. Gather 5 to 7 high-quality, artfully shot images. You'll find several resources for image gathering here. Now, I want them to click on this word here and for the resources page to pop up. So I'm going to highlight the word here. A double click will highlight any word. By the way, a triple click will highlight any paragraph or sentence. So double click. And then I'm going to come over to this link. Oops, sorry. The drop down next to the link. And I want course links. So let me show you that again. We're going to double click on the word that we want to be the hot word. Then we're going to click on the arrow next to the hyperlink, and we're going to click on course links. And now you'll see I can link to all sorts of things that I have in my course, but I'm going to link to resources. And now you'll see that it is a hot link. I'm going to go ahead and save. And that is how you make a page. And you can put all sorts of things in pages. You can put images, you can embed videos. I'll keep working with pages and making them even more robust as we get further into the course, but I just wanted to get you started on basic pages. And so how else can you use the pages? Well, let me go into my course. And you'll notice up here, well, I want to have my students to see the instructions right in their unit. So I'm going to go ahead and in here I'm going to add. Now I can add all sorts of things including pages. So I'm going to add a page, and it is my personality poster steps, and I'm going to add the item. Now I can put this wherever I want to here. I'm going to put it first, and I'm going to make it live. And now just to see the student view, I always like to click on student view. Let me make this live also. To click on the student view, here it is. And now you can see what the students see. And there's their personality poster steps. And if I click on the personality poster steps, you'll see that this link will open up the resources page, which of course would be live if I was an actual student. All right, that is how you add a page, a simple page, to your course in Canvas. I'll get further into more detailed pages. I'm just trying to get people started for the beginning of the school year. We'll get more and more advanced as we move further through Canvas. All right, see you in the next video. In the next video, we will be looking at rubrics, I promise.